Acacia falcata. Acacia falcata, commonly known as sickle wattle and by other vernacular names including Sally, is a perennial shrub or tree native to eastern Australia, which reaches 5 meters in height and has cream flowers in early winter. It gets its common and scientific name for its sickle-shaped leaves. Hardy and adaptable to cultivation, it is used in regeneration of bushland. Taxonomy. German botanist Karl Ludwig Willdenow was the first to officially describe the sickle wattle in 1806, although his countryman Johann Christoph Wendland had given it the name Mimosa obliqua in 1798. This was deemed an illegitimate name. The species name is derived from the Latin word falx, sickle. Some common names for it are burra, Sally, sickle-shaped acacia, and silver-leaved wattle. Description: found as a shrub or small tree from 2 to 5 m 6.6 to 16.4 ft high, Acacia falcata has gray or black bark. Like most wattles, it has phyllodes rather than leaves. These are a pale green or gray-green and sickle-shaped, measuring 7/19 cm 2.87.5 in length by 0.94 cm 0.35 1.57 in wide with a prominent midvein. The small round flowers are cream or pale yellow and appear in early winter from April to August. These are followed by thin seed pods which are 4.512 cm 1.84.7 in long and 0.5 0.8 cm 0.20 0.31 in wide. The pods mature from September to December. Distribution and habitat. The range is from Queensland south through eastern New South Wales to Bermagui on the south coast. It grows predominantly on shale soils in open forest and is associated with such trees as Eucalyptus paniculata, E. longifolia, and E. teraticornis. Naturalized, it has been recorded in Java in Indonesia and in North Island in New Zealand. Ecology. Plants live for 5 to 20 years in the wild and are killed by bushfire. The seed is released in December and dispersed by wind. It is stored in the soil, although it is unclear how related germination is to bushfire. Seed can germinate in disturbed areas. Acacia falcata is the host plant for the imperial hairstreak Gelmanus vagores. One field study recovered 98 species of bug hemiptera from A. falcata across its range. Cultivation and uses. Acacia falcata is adaptable to a wide range of soils in cultivation, and its attractive foliage is a horticultural feature. It is propagated by seed which must be pretreated with boiling water before it is able to germinate. It is easy to grow given a good sunlit position and good drainage, and is used in revegetation. Australian indigenous people use the bark to make a liniment for treating ailments of the skin. A. falcata is excellent for stabilizing barren sand. The bark is important in the tanning industry. The 1889 book The Useful Native Plants of Australia records that common names included hickory and Sally, and that indigenous Australians of the Cumberland and Camden areas of New South Wales referred to it as Wegelinit A, which contains much tannin, was used by the Aboriginal Sikh of the counties of Cumberland and Camden to stupefy fish. References